Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So it has been a while. Today we are going to learn how to make a hamburger menu. My voice is not so good, I have a little bit of flu and I'm sorry for the bad quality of my voice. We're going to make a hamburger menu from this nav bar here. I will show you the demo, how it will be at the end. We will make something like this. So when we have a small screen like a telephone screen or a small tablet screen, this hamburger menu will handle the nav bar over here, as you can see. But right now I just have the nav bar, and we're going to make this nav bar using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Let me come here and save what I have. Right now I just have the basics of the nav bar here, and we're going to make this hamburger menu button. So grab your cup of tea or coffee or whatever you would like to drink and get concentrated over here. We're gonna make the nav here. For that we already have this, as I showed you at the beginning, this line here. We have some basic of HTML and CSS, but we need some JavaScript to make the nav bar. But for that we need also, I need to mention this one because this is very important. This link from here, we have to get this API because the navbar is coming from this API here. I will put it in the link below if you don't have it already. So we have to create a button in the navbar over here. Let's get started. For example, write a button element. Yes. And let's make some space here and give our button an ID. Then we can give the ID attribute a value called, for example, my button. Yes. And inside the button, the navbar will be grabbed from here. We need to use a list item inside here. So li, for example, and this li will get an ID. Let's say ID equals to fa hyphen bars. Then let's save this and come here. Now we have a small nav bar over there, but this looks a little bit odd, but we can try to see what's going on and how to make it a little bit better. But for now we can concentrate. So for this to come, we need to change ID by class. Let's say with class here. Yes, now we have a small hamburger menu over here. But if we click it, it's not bringing anything. Yes. For now we need some JavaScript here to handle it. We need a variable, let's say constant variable button here equals to the API document dot get element by ID. Say get element by ID. Then the ID here is this, the button here, my button. Let's put it here, my hyphen button. And also we need a second variable. We are going to call it nav, but you can call it whatever you want. You can call it node or whatever. And I just put nav there, and we need the same thing from here. We just to change the parameter inside. This parameter will be my nav. I will show you where it's coming from. This my nav is coming from this unordered list here. The list item is inside here. So we need now to make an event listener. We will chain it to the button. Let's say button dot add event listener. For the event listener, we will need a click method. Let's say click is the first parameter of the event listener here. The click will be here. When we click here, we need to see the menu down below. So let's add here an anonymous function called fat arrow function. Inside this, we have to grab this nav, and we have to add it to a method called class list. Class list will be chained to a toggle method here, and inside the toggle method will have a parameter show, because when we press this one, we want it to show us the drop down menus. Let's save this and see what's going on here. Yes, as you can see now, we have this game, we have about game, we have top 5, and if we press it back, it will hide it. Let's put this to yes, but right now we need to hide this somewhere, because when the screen is big, we don't need it to appear over here. We need it to be hidden. When the screen is small, then it can appear and handle the other. Let's see what we can do over here to see what's going on. Like here, my button. Here we need, for example, to add here a class for the button. Let's say class, and give the class the same value for this ID here, and save it. As you can see now, we have this button, because this my class is being styled over here like this to display none. Now it will hide it when it is in a small screen. Yes. Now when it is in a big screen, you cannot see it over here. It is hidden. Yes. Now it's appearing here. That's the way how we can make a simple hamburger menu. Enjoy this tutorial, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you soon. Bye.